Hello, welcome to Boclips for Teachers. Boclips is a school-safe, time-saving platform for educators looking to bring more engaging video content into their classroom without the risk of inappropriate content. We partner with over 160 content partners to bring you the world's best educational video, curated for teachers by teachers. In this overview, we will demonstrate key features and benefits of the Boclips platform, including how to search, organize, and share content across your classroom, school, and district. To help you save time and find the perfect video for your lesson, there are a few different ways to explore content. When you log in, you'll see the Videos for You section here on the left with tailored suggestions. You can also explore the pre-created subject collections here on the right. View the latest collections if you scroll down to the end of the page, or search the full video library by using the search bar at the top of the page. Let's start here. Simply type what you're looking for into the search bar, and you will see relevant videos and collections. You can use the filter tool to refine your results by duration, age range, and subject. Our selection of YouTube content is from a network of trusted providers, offering the same quality and safety as our other videos, and can also be played within our platform. As well as videos, you'll see collections relevant to your search, each tagged with an age range and subject to help you find the right content faster. Simply click into the collections, which have been built by other teachers of your subject, to view the videos. To view all the collections, you can also browse our subjects from the home page. Click Explore All Subjects to view them all. Then select your subject. Within the subjects, you'll see a list of collections, and you'll notice that some of them have a lesson guide symbol. This means that the collection comes complete with suggested activities to use alongside the videos, which are correlated with Common Core and NGSS standards. Let's look at this one, covering the topic of democracy in the United States. Here you can read a description of the collection and see the included videos, as well as an outline of the lesson plan. When you click Visit, you'll be taken to a document with suggested classroom activities, related video clips, and a summary of the Common Core standards covered in the package. You can download this document or save it to your drive to use later. You can then edit it so that it meets the needs of your students. These plans have been created by curriculum specialists and are designed to help you to seamlessly integrate highly effective video-based learning into your teaching. If you want to save any collection, just click the button in the top right corner. You can come back to it by visiting Your Bookmarks in the Your Account tab. Our collections are built by subject specialists and teacher users like you. Making your own collection is easy. When you found a video that you'd like to add to your collection, just click Save and choose to add it to one of your existing collections or create a brand new one. To manage your collections, go to Your Account. Here, you can edit the name, description, subject, and age range, as well as make collections public. Public collections appear within the collections library, but can be made private at any time. Of course, you can always remove individual videos or delete a whole collection if you don't want it anymore. Sharing videos with your students is easy too. You'll notice that every video has a share button. You can share your chosen video with your students, and they won't need to log in to view it. If there is a section of the video that's particularly relevant to your lesson, you can use this segmenting tool to highlight the part of the video that you would like students to view. They will be able to watch the whole video if they choose, but this feature can help to focus their attention on the key information. You then have two sharing options. You can simply copy the link to your clipboard and then paste it into your teaching tool of choice, or you can send it directly to Google Classroom. This allows you to quickly and simply build out a dynamic course for your students without leaving Boclips. Accessibility is important at Boclips, so you will also notice some features to support this. Most videos come with closed captions, but you can toggle on and off with the CC button within the player. You can also download text transcripts by clicking the transcript button under the video. As well as this, Boclips is compatible with screen readers. With Boclips, teachers now have a safer, easier way to bring their lessons to life. To get started, visit boclips.com/teachers.